Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And I just wanted to do a quick video showing you how I apply my transfers. And I was working on the Dreadnought in the previous video, so I thought I'd just add some transfers on it and show you my methods. So what I do is I just dip the transfers, cut them out and dip them into water for about a minute, and then I use a tweezer to bring it out, and then I use a brush to push it onto the surface. And once it's on the surface, I try and just try and get the bubbles out by using the brush. And I also use a tissue to dab at the transfer to get rid of any excess water, just soak it up. You can just place the tissue on top and it will soak up the water. And I'll just go around pushing the any creases out, and I work around the whole model like that. I mean, on this Dreadnought is pretty flat, the transfers, the surfaces, sorry, so it's very easy to get the transfers on there without any creases or bubbles. But that's basically what I do. So I water it. Sometimes it can get a bit loose in the water when you leave it there for too long, so I just try to, 1 minute is enough, and then after that try and get it out. But that's what I do. I just put it onto the surface and use my brush to just get it into position, and then use a tissue to soak up all the water, so that because if there's water left on it, you'll notice that the transfer will start floating around, which happened on the shoulder here. I'll show you. So I had to do it again. So just bear that in mind. Just dab it and get rid of the water. Okay, so I hope that helps. It's just a short video, quick video, and more videos coming soon. So just yeah, thank you for the new subscribers. You know, it's nice to see that every week there's new subscribers coming, and I will try and get more videos out regularly. Okay, so in the meantime, happy painting, and I'll see you in the next video.
you.